What is up, YouTube? I'm back here today.
This is how I'm looking today. This is how I'm dressing. So beautiful. I try to dress my beautifulest for people so I can look beautiful.
Yeah, I tried to wear like all black today. Like I wore my Lost Prophet shirt, very pink, 96 shirt, and I wear a black. I was gonna wear my black boots, but I was like, hey, I'm wearing pink today. It'll match. Ooh, sexy girl. And I just wanted to do a short introduction before I start doing my video. I'm really excited. I'm going to be showing you guys how to look and dress like an emo boy or emo kid or whatever you want to category as, goth scene, whatever. But I think you guys be so excited. This is before I put anything on, just like powders and stuff, but I want to show you more colors and stuff. I didn't really get to style my hair exactly how I wanted, but it looks so beautiful. Boy. Green gold, I'm so happy. And today's video is how to be emo. I got my hair and stuff on, I got my face partially done. I just need to do eyeliner, some black, and a few other added details, but it won't be too much. You can honestly wear anything or any color. There's not really technically a color, but more black. I like black and pink. Lost Prophet shirt for pink. And we're black pants. Black pants. See, look pretty good. Look pretty good, girls. Ugh. I'll be getting on to the video. I'll be working with the bottom eye first. I slid my hair out of the way a little bit just so you guys can. I slid my hair a little bit out of the way just so you guys can see a little better when I do the eye work. I'm gonna start on the bottom. I'll just show you guys a couple tips that I learned. Like, I'll try to explain them to you the whole way through it. I usually try to hold my eye like right here. Start going with the line. Just start going with the line. Just try to be consistent, because like even if you mess up, you could just fix it. Because I'm gonna make mine pretty thick black line, so like it doesn't matter if you miss a few spots. Just try to get the top row done first, and I'll show you a little trick that you can make a wing with once you get your top done. Okay, I just want to show you guys something, like pretty much how I learned it. You could just like I'll show you what I mean. Like, I usually start here. If you want to do a wing, you just like bring it up like that, and then you could build in the bottom or the sides. See how the one side's a lot thicker. I'm building it up. I'll build it up to be a little bit longer. So damn pretty so far. I got one done. I got one done. Got a little black in my eye from earlier. My eye. I got a little bit of black in my eye, but I think it'll be alright. Okay, yep. Looks very beautiful. But I need to thicken in this side a little bit. Looking pretty. So pretty so far. I just need to thicken up a few more lines. Okay, looks good, guys. I got this out of the way, so that's good. I'll be moving on to next. I'll put some black up here. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look great. Emo green. Okay, I'm gonna use rainbow black as my top. I'm gonna be using I love this color. I'm using this, the rainbow black. Very beautiful. It's one of my favorite used colors. It makes emo a little bit easier, so you don't have to use other black products. Well, like black, like I tried the CoverGirl and other things like sparkly stuff. It just doesn't work as good as his. I'm saying. So some darker CoverGirl and Wet n Wild. They're not bad. It's just like the rainbow on the Beauty Killer is just my favorite personally. And even on the Bloodlust, it has a purple, black purple. So that I sometimes use too. I want to use it more when I get to wear some purple. I haven't worn purple in a while. This guy deserves to wear some purple. Beautiful black. So nice. Let's see, fix up the other eye. Okay, we're done with that. We're done with the black. Looks great. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next. Next is I'm gonna put a little bit of pink up here on top, just because I like pink and it's my color. Okay, right here it is. The pink. I'm gonna go with bubblegum pink because it's one of my favorite pinks, and it's a pretty easy color to work with. It's one of my favorite. Bubblegum. I love bubblegum. That bubblegum, oh, I love pink. Shine down to the pink. My week's been going alright though. If I talk about my week, got some makeup videos done, pretty excited. I got my new wig. It was a cheaper pink one. It was like 15 bucks. It wasn't too bad. I'll be making videos all this month and week. I'm not sure exactly on what, but I'll be thinking of something very beautiful. Like I am now. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little pink up top now. Just so. I like to put a lot of extra, because I'm extra. Okay. Eyebrows even pink. I need a couple good more swipes on this eye, should be good. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Still have to work onto the other eye though. Working onto the other. This EMO. I don't cut myself. I just try to love myself most. I'm really sad that me and Kelly couldn't work. I really loved her a lot, and it's not that I don't care about her, it's just like I just have a lot of anxiety right now. Like anxiety and like emotion, mood swings, but I've been fine overall. Just trying to get as most as done can in life, but I just get depressed of myself and I just think I'm a bad person. Like I don't know why I do that. But I try to help and be the best person I can every day, and I pray that I can sin less and be a better person every day. It doesn't mean I'm going to be, but I just really I really try. And I want to make people smile, I want to make people's day. And I do really enjoy makeup. It's really relaxing, and I like trying new things all the time with makeup, like colors and different styles. I just like to try all different things just to see what I like, because I don't know if I'm going to like it until I try it a few times or see if I like it. I'd move my hair out of the way a little bit. Definitely subscribe, like, share. I do appreciate that. Yeah, I think the pink is done. Oh, oh fuck, girl. You look so good in that mirror, I'd want to fuck you. But I can't. That's me. That's me. Damn it. Damn it. Okay. I just have like 2 quick steps. I'm just gonna put some some liquid frost, and then I'm gonna use a shiny lip gloss. Shiny emo, more like it. 2020 emo-ish with bashed old. But I'm just gonna slap some of this on. Not really slap it on, but I'm gonna put it on. Oh fuck, it's running. It's on my face. This stuff always works pretty good. I was gonna put some liquid frost on my neck more, but I think it looks good enough. Looks really good. Just one more step. I just wanted to put this on here just for a finishing touch, the holographic lip gloss, just to show you guys if you've never seen it. It's pretty cheap and affordable. It's only a couple dollars. Oh man, I got a big ass glob on my lip. And my friend told me not to do that. Well, this is lip gloss. This is a little different. Wow. Let's look how the look turned out. That's how it turned out. Turned out so fucking beautiful. I can't even imagine. Like, if you guys do want to get this look, just watch over my video, watch over some videos, and definitely, hopefully I helped you out a little bit on how to look emo or how to look sexy like I do. You know, I just try my best and everything. I just wanted to show you guys one more glance. This is how I look for today. So sexy. Very sexy. Sexy over here. And then over there. Wow, I'm gonna go smoke a coffee. I'm gonna go smoke coffee and eat a cigarette. Nah, I'm gonna sip coffee and just smoke one. Cough along. Duh. But I just really appreciate you guys so much for watching, and definitely peace, one love. Emo for love.
So sparkly. It turned out so great. I'm just so excited, guys. Thank you for watching. For real, like, shiny emo. Peace, guys.